I'd like to talk about the angry dog sound. I think a lot of you want to know what it is. R. That's right. One R for my Arab and Latin friends, not R. Good. So, when you're making the R sound, the best way I found to think about it is think about the angry dog. Because you have to show your teeth. I'm sorry, Team Asia. I know you like to hide your mouth when you talk, but you can't do that all the time. In English, you have to show your teeth for L and many other sounds. Anyway, R. Look in your mirror and try to see 4 teeth at the top and 4 teeth at the bottom. And your tongue is not touching the roof of your mouth. Your tongue goes back, but it does not touch up. Now, a good word that I found every student can pronounce correctly is dream. Try it. Dream. Now, you know the position for R. Because your tongue starts at that D and then just goes back to R. 99% of students I know how to pronounce dream. So, train your mouth. Right. Ready. Reason.